Yo ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Amar's Tech Pro, and today I'm going to show you all 5 easy tips and tricks which are my favorite on the Windows 10 platform. And yeah, let's get started. Tip number 1. This is the best tip of all. Scroll down to the video watching, like it, subscribe and turn on post notification so you'll be. Tip number 1. Use Clipboard. If you want to copy something like text, paragraph, pictures, etc., you can copy your items first and then paste it later on. All you need to do is click Windows and V like this and this, just like this, and you will get this box right over here. You have to click Turn On and you will be able to see the last item you have copied. So for example, if I open this notepad text, I'll copy each line and then paste it later. So I'm going to copy hi, second line, third line, fourth line. Now I'm going to click Windows and V and I have hi. My channel's name is Amar's Tech Pro. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and thank you. So if I click hi, it comes here, and just like that, I have copied my lines again and pasted it later on. Tip number 2. Shortcut for screenshot. This will help you to take screenshot with one key of your keyboard or two. What you need to do is go to settings. Then you need to click ease of access, scroll to keyboard, then here you scroll to print screen shortcut option. If you turn this on, you will be able to take screenshot by clicking the print screen key or the FN and print screen keys on your keyboard instead of clicking Windows Shift and S. FN means function. So I'm gonna toggle this now and you need to restart your computer. So I have restarted my computer, and if I'm clicking the print screen button, I'm getting this option, which you will also get by clicking Windows Shift and S. So this is the tip number 2. Tip number 3 is the Windows Magnifier. This will help you to view the tiny characters in any document or something by zooming in your screen. So all you need to do is click Windows and the plus key on your keyboard, and this app will open. Then again you will need to click this one, and now it has zoomed in my screen, and now I can view my app's name a bit more clearly. You can also minimize by clicking the Windows and minus option and bring it back to normal. This is the tip number 3. Tip number 4. Shake to minimize feature of Windows 10. If you have multiple apps open and want to focus on one main app, all you need to do is hover your mouse on this horizontal bar and click and slightly shake to minimize the others. You can also bring the other apps back by doing the same thing. Last but not the least, tip number 5. Open your Taskbar apps quickly. In this feature, you won't need to use your mouse. And right now, you can see 3 apps print in my Taskbar, which are Google Chrome, Opera GX browser, and Windows Explorer. So if I want to open Google Chrome without using my mouse, I can just click Windows and 1. For Windows Explorer, Windows and 3. So the magic between these numbers is that Google Chrome is the first app print in my taskbar, so the number will be 1. For Opera GX, I can click Windows and 2, and for Windows Explorer, I can click Windows and 3. It can go on till Windows and 0, which will be the 10th app, and then I don't think so you can get the 11th app by doing this. So that's all 5 tips and tricks. Make sure to like, share and comment your favorite Windows 10 feature below, and also make sure to subscribe because this was epic, and see you guys next time.